So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the replay functions in SeerChart Pi. So the replay functions, let's go look here actually. Let's go to the bridge and then PI reference, replay. Okay, so you'll notice that there are currently 4 replay functions: start replay, stop replay, get replay status, and subscribe to replay updates. In this video, I'll go over these 3, starting with start replay. So start replay basically follows the same set of parameters that you see here as the underlying SeerChart function start replay new. So if I open this, you'll see here the start chart replay new, and it has, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters. And these same 5 parameters match up with these 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other 2 functions, which are the stop replay and get replay status, simply have a key as a parameter. We'll see those in action in just a second. So here I just posted here some snippets that I can grab so I don't have to type everything. Demonstrate this from the Python console. So let's start by looking at the left-hand side. We have SeerChart, and I have the SeerChart DX study applied with a key called A. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start a replay. So let's first import what we need. We'll import date time. And we'll create the bridge. Okay. And now once we have those, we can start a replay, right? So as we said before, these are the parameters. We have the start date time, key, which is A in this case, start date time. We're going back from now 1.5 days. So we're going back to replay 1.5 days. Skip empty periods is defaulted to true. We're running in replay mode standard mode by the default. And we're going to be clearing the trades from the trade account when it starts, and we're going to use a replay speed in this case of 1,000. Right, so let's copy this command here, run it. Okay, so on the left hand side, what we're seeing is the replay dialog starts coming up, and SeerChart starts to do a replay. In this case, it's replaying a chart that has some crossover strategy on it that's trading as it goes along. I can pause it like anything. I can then start it again. That works fine. And at some point I can wait for this to end, or I can just stop it in the middle. Okay, so I can do bridge dot stop replay A, and that stops it, right? So you can see the dialog went to stop and so on. The other thing I can do is get the replay status, which is useful for some things. We'll see that later. But basically I can, let's say that I start, let's call actually replay stop status now, bridge dot get status. Okay. Ret dot replay status. Yeah, we can see that the replay is stopped, right? We can use that for if we need it for anything. Then we can, if I start the replay again, okay, and I do get replay status. Now I can see that it's running. If I do bridge.stop replay, see it stopped. Do get replay status. You see that it stopped again. All right.